From this video, we're going to see what Furgomania offers us. An option that we've already talked about before in Camperoteros, but this time we're going to analyze the kit on this T6 and see what's new in Furgomania. We will test the bed and the furniture, and see some of the novelties of Furgomania that's sure to surprise you. Well, here we are with this furniture that's just arrived. And now we'll see with just a few simple steps how we can convert this beautiful T6 into a camper without tools. Just in case, we're testing this kit on a T6, but this kind of kit is available for almost any van on the market. To do this, we must first go to the Furgomania website and verify that our model is compatible, and then choose the options that best suit our needs. Rest assured, we also have a support WhatsApp that accommodates us in up to 6 different languages. The furniture is incredibly easy to install. Each one is placed in its position and then anchored by means of these handles to the load rings, remaining firmly fixed without worry of them coming loose. In this case, we have installed the wide module bed kit that allows us to have a large bed on top and have holes below to carry our luggage and other objects. But what this wide model really allows us to do is carry a cool box such as the Waco CF26, which can be accessed by simply opening the roller shutter. We also have the bed base that allows us to assemble the bed without needing to carry the rear seat. There's also the exterior rear table kit that allows us to use one of the boards that make up the bed as a table. This table is perfect for either inside or outside use by simply screwing in these 4 legs. Depending on the van, a shower kit can give us a 12, 16, or 19-liter tank. For the T6 in particular, it would be 19 liters. Included is a 12-volt submersible pump that will allow us to use it outside. And finally, this model that has caught my attention is usually something that's seen in approved vans, but not in self-installable kits. This is the 4-in-1 sink kit that allows us to remove the 5th seat of our vehicle and take with us a complete sink. And of course, we can also use it as a typical gas cartridge cooker. This unit has a sink with 2 tanks of 12-liter capacity, one for clean water and one for gray water. Also, this side extension allows us to cook outside and extend the surface of our kitchen. Well, now we have the van ready to go on a trip. One of the things I like is that at first glance, it's very discreet furniture. The automotive paint gives it a touch that seems very standard and doesn't draw any attention inside the van. First of all, let's talk about storage. In this furniture, we have spaces to store objects, clothes, or well-organized luggage. But the best thing is that we have a large storage space in the boot, right in the center, so we can carry larger objects. The bed is easily mounted by lowering the rear seats, and has dimensions of 1 and 63 meters by 2 and 3 meters. In this case, since we have no rear seats, we lowered the footboard and mounted the bed. The bed is very wide, and there's plenty of space to sleep comfortably here. Also, as you can see, it's a very long bed, and there's even enough space for tall people like me, someone who's 1 and 85 meters tall. Now let's see what other possibilities this kit offers when we're not using the bed. Thanks to the table kit, we can set up a table inside. But we can also use the remaining boards and mattresses to set up a back sofa and sit comfortably. Another detail I liked is that all the boards are covered in carpet and fit nicely inside the guides. This way, we avoid vibrations and noises. Another important detail is that they're stored inside the runners, leaving no chance of them sliding upwards in case of an accident. As for the kitchen unit, it's stored under this cushion here when bed mode is in use. When day mode is in use, we have a fairly large sink and an extendable outside wing. Apart from this 4-in-1 sink kit, Other models can be placed in this same position, such as one with a drawer-type fridge, a chest for storage, or one to carry the toilet in this same position. However, all these units are only available for the midsize WV and Ford Chases. These are just a few of the possibilities, but I'd invite you to check out the Furgomania website to see what other options are available for your vehicle.